going to be making slime.
As you can know, we do like slime because we've done a lot of videos on it.
We've done 2.
This activator is from our previous because we can't
Last time I did this video, as you guys know, I didn't do very well with the activator. So my sister's going to help me out with the activator and the paint so I don't put too much in.
Yeah, and also we've got some other products. We've got this.
And I got this one. I got some slimes yesterday. So this is one of them, and it's really stretchy. Today, it makes farting sounds.
I'm the biggest fan, seriously. So yeah, let's get started. Let's go. Okay, I'm gonna start with glue. I think.
Yeah. I'll just wait for you to do that. I think that's enough glue. No, that'll do.
I just want to make sure we got enough. Okay.
Done.
Now,
I'm going to do a bit of paint now.
So that's enough. Okay, my turn. I'm just doing
Then
let's see if I need to add more.
Colour.
See if I need to add more in a minute when I've mixed it. This is such a pretty colour.
I think I need a bit more. Can you add a bit more?
No, it's dark enough.
Okay.
That's perfect, Maya.
I need a bit of activator.
No, it's enough. I love this colour.
I'm really good at the activator.
Oh, we got some glitter. Let's add the glitter.
Yeah.
I'm going to add silver first.
I'm going to add the glitter. Yeah, actually.
Whoa, that fell in my slam. No, no,
Epic
no.
fail.
Yeah, that was an epic fail.
Because
So look. Oh, yeah. Afraid I need red glitter.
Not too much.
let's start stirring.
There's enough glitter there?
I feel like this slime is going to be the best slime. And I think it's
No.
Here, listen. So, can you add a bit of activator?
We've never tried this kind of glue. We've never made homemade slime.
And then we can add a bit more glitter.
We got a lot of this. Let's see. It's not sticking to my spoon, is it? I feel like we still need a lot more though. So
I love the
long
colour of
way
the
away.
How much activator do you need?
I like for this one because it's bigger than my other one. Still,
I think that's enough glitter
That's
now.
a lot of glitter there.
I added a
Maya.
tiny bit. Whoa. It's gonna be crunchy, guys.
That's what I wanted, crunchy slime, that's why.
I can. Wait, it's not playable yet. I'm not sure.
Mine's kind of forming. Like, kind of like it, but...
Hope it's gonna work. I can already feel it thickening.
You can't even tell that the glue's in it. That's why I picked red.
Why is it not activating?
It smells nice.
Well, I feel like this is not gonna.
Is it working, girls?
I'm not sure.
I
I
don't
feel
know.
like we need some baking soda. I'm not sure.
No, just keep stirring it.
You just stir it. Where's the activator?
Stir, stir.
This did not take as long last time. Today it is. I don't know why.
Do you remember how much activator you used last time?
Well, we don't. It's different. It depends how big it is. I feel. Why is this not activating now?
Does it say we need baking soda?
Well, for this kind, I feel like it's a pearl.
This
In the dough pie. Whoa, you can see imaginary hands just come in. It says a pinch of baking soda usually. I didn't get a pinch.
Ah.
It's thickening now, I feel. Now I just need more activator. But you can tell
Wow, this is
that
so
it's
soft.
I can tell that it's activating, hopefully.
Let's add a few more pinches.
I'm not sure why this is not working.
Maybe.
It's safe to say this is an epic fail.
Yeah, maybe our camera will carry on stirring it and then get back to you guys. But it's activating. I can.
You can hear it.
It sounds bath bomb. Now I feel like it is working with that baking soda on. It's really working.
I don't think mine's
We should
work.
add it too much. Now it's not stretchy, but it was working. Like it's actually turned into slime now.
I think I need...
At least we know now that works.
Mine's
With the
probably like
activator.
perfect at the moment.
It's still slime. I guess it
Can I go
feels
in
nice.
Am I
but
allowed to go in with my hands now?
Let's feel. I'll tell you.
Shall I? Wait, stop,
I
stop.
wouldn't. It's not slime, basically.
Bit of a
fail, but-
but...
Tell us in the comments down below if you have ever made slime and it worked, and tell us if it went well for you and how you made it. Because I think we added too much baking soda, but then it activated.
Yeah, because our mum did the baking soda. She put way too much.
It's Mummy's fault.
Yes.
Well, you
Okay.
can totally see it peels.
Right, we got to say bye then.
Bye, guys. It was a bit of a fail.